Hello friend, welcome to the channel. And we watch today. I'm going to react on this singer 2019 session, and I think you remember all these sessions of 2019 or 2018. However, so greatest singer singing in this session 2019. This is Polina Gagarina. I don't know how he can singing in this time, but he may be the most gorgeous singer. Let's watch it. Wow. The starting tone is very crucial, and wow, I am amazed after watching this past. This is wow. That's why I love singer session. And if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please. Wow. She's so beautiful and gorgeous. Really. Wow. Wait 1 minute, please. How she can sing? Wow, my God. Wow, really? She has powerful voice, supernatural way. Wow, she is not only beautiful, gorgeous. She is also have supernatural power, and I think she will be the #1 singer in 2019. Just and stay connected with this singer session and with my channel also. I'll tell you every performance of her, because from now I became a fan. She is like an angel. My God, I will cry, really. This is so different to a man. How? His sound running in my brain, every little spot. I don't know how I am feeling it just like now. Please control. I can't express my feeling right now, but I am feeling just like goosebumps every time, every single one. It's like touch my heart, and wow, supernatural. Really awesome. Salute. Wow, what a powerful voice she has, and this fabulous voice. Everybody, whoever watch her, whoever listen her, I am surely say that, I can surely guarantee you that fall in love with her voice. Whoever listen her music, whoever listen her tone, he or she will be falling with her. Really. Wow, what a performance. Wow, I like her very much. Thank you for watching. Wow. What a great performance, really. And that moment I realized that Singer 2019 session is going fabulous. Really, from this session number 4, this session going to mad and fabulous and blockbuster. Every record of history of this singer sessions, write down it today, from today. Really great. Thank you for watching, and please stay connected with my channel for new videos and for latest notification. Ring the bell icon and please subscribe. Bye bye.